The starter bendix is not sucking. I'm giving the starter a little bit kolakat. One is missing. So it's not the starter is not working at the moment. So I'm gonna pull it together with the gear a little bit, hoping to change the position. Okay, let's try some more. So we're gonna have to take a look at the starter at home. I wish that there was a onion picker or some people who are walking in the forest. I would ask, jump in the wheel and help me start the car. Very nice, looks very nice, everything. Oh. This car is protected, guys. Jehovah, what do you know? It's a Jehovah. Now the sad part about it is that I did not get to use the smoke bomb. This was a great decision to buy this trailer and the bench. It's a really nice morning.